Welcome back to CD Training Academy tutorials. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create an event. Let's get started. You will start by creating the course for the event, whether this be a live training, Zoom, or weekly meeting. Every portal is provided with an event assignment template. You will duplicate this by clicking on the template and selecting the drop-down arrow and choosing Duplicate. You will then click on the duplicated course and click on Manage Course. Next, you will click on the tab Course Definition, and here you will name the course. For this example, I will name it Safety Talk Quarter 2. You will then select a category or create a new one. I will create a category named Meetings. You will then add an instructor and type out a description. I will type, "Please join us for the second quarter safety talk." You will then click Save. Once the course is created, you are now ready to add the event and invite. We will go to the Manage Events tab and then click the blue button labeled Add New Event. We will fill in all of the information, starting with attaching the course we just made from the duplication. You will name it and add a brief description. Next, we will choose a location. For this example, I will type in the conference room. Now, to the right here are the event settings. We will type in our seats. If you know exactly how many will be attending, you can type in that number. If not, you may type in 0 for unlimited. Next is the starting and ending times for the meeting or training. You can choose a start fixed date and time as well as a fixed end date and time. After all information is added, you will click Add Event. Now, once the event is added, you will go to the Manage Events tab and click on the name of the event. You will now click on the second tab over labeled Assigned Users, and then click on Assign New Users. Select the employees that you wish to invite, and then click Add Selected. Now, each employee who was assigned to the event will receive an email from the name of your LMS portal with your company name. The subject should say Event Confirmation. Now we will navigate back to the event that we just created and click on it, and then click on the Assigned Users tab. Notice that it states In Progress. After the event, just like a roster for completion, you will simply double-click on the status and select the appropriate response. The drop-down options are In Progress Completed, Withdrawn, or No Show. Next, we will go back to the event and click on it. The course that the event is tied to is linked in the event details. By clicking on the linked course, it takes me directly there. Once in the course, click on the stats in the upper right corner in the course, and then click on Completion Report. On this page, it shows that the user, Elena Yaki, is completed. The system automatically sets her completion date in the course and issues her a certificate. If you do not want a certificate issued for attending the event, you simply turn off the certificate issuance in the settings for the course you tied the event with. Do you have more questions about your portal? Let us know, and we will create a new CDTA tutorial for you. Subscribe to CD Training Academy's YouTube channel to keep up with newly added tutorials.